guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my routine for the night, my nighttime routine, everything I do before I sleep. Let's just get into it. I don't want this video to be too long. Just it could go like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I was watching some other videos on YouTube. Like, I don't know, everything is just so synchronized and arranged and proper and just perfect, and I don't know if I can reach that level of perfection. I'm just going to do what I know. So I start off the night by doing some exercises for my body. Let's start with that. Can you exercise with a wig on? Can you do that? Hey Siri. Okay, Siri is not listening to me. I must exercise with my wig on. I don't care. I don't care. The fuck? Just finished the exercise. Now I'm going to shower. I want to show you guys my shower essentials. I use this sugar scrub to exfoliate my whole body. And I use soap. And I have this body cream. I have the body oil I also use. And I spray perfume. And I brush my teeth and I cleanse my face. That's it. I think that's, let me show you guys what I use. This is what I use: vanilla, tea tree, shea sugar scrub, then vanilla whipped shea body butter. So yeah, this is the two most important things I use on my body when I'm taking a shower. The body scrub is so good. Like, I love using it on my body. It makes me feel soft and clean, nourished. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it just feels amazing. So let me take a shower now. Yes, the wig is off. And then I told you guys I was going to bath, but then I realized that I normally do my skincare before I take a shower. I'm going to do my skincare now, but let me brush my teeth first. So I use this. It's almost finished. Please take it easy on me, and it has finished. Okay, now I want to do my skincare. Brush my teeth. I brushed my teeth, so I want to do my skincare now. So for my cleanser, I use this, the Alfin Brightening Bubbling Cleanser, AHAs and fruit enzymes. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this thing. Like, it actually works for my skin. It doesn't really work for my skin because my skin is not giving what it needs to be. What needs to be. Yay! I guess it's a nighttime routine, so I just have to show you everything that I use, whether it works or it doesn't work. So yeah, it feels nice and it smells nice. It has like fruits in it. I don't think fruits are good for my skin because it has sugars in it, and sugars is not good for my skin. I think it brings out fungal acne. I'm not sure, or something like that. So, and I'm still using it. Why? Because I spent a lot of money on it, so why won't I use it? But this exfoliator is an exfoliator. So I took a break from using it because I don't know, it was making my skin purge. It was making my skin purge, and now it's making like my, how will I say it, my rashes dry out, and it's giving it a black, like a black mark. It's leaving a black mark behind as it's drying out my what's it called, my acne. Well, it's cool. God, I don't have front hair. It's a pity. I like to really spend enough time cleansing my face because, I don't know, cleansing is very important. Very, very, very important. Yeah. In fact, I'm going to take a shower. I don't know why I wanted to shower before I cleanse my face. I normally never do that. I don't know why. This should be good. Let me go on. Rinse it off. Come cleanse my face. I normally like to air dry my face, but for the sake of this video, I'll just use a towel to dry my face so I can put my, what do you call it? Is it toner? I don't know what it's called. I normally don't do this. I like it to dry naturally, but I don't know, it might take a while. Okay, also another Alfine product, Pore Perfecting Liquid. Okay, I don't think this is a toner. It's similar to a toner, sure. I don't know, the thing came off. The filter is stuck. And I've been trying to remove it since, but it's not working. Now I just have to pour it out, and a lot gets poured out. That's very convenient. Very, very inconvenient. Very, very, very inconvenient.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This is why you should always cleanse your face. So I realized I wasn't recording, so I just put my moisturizer, the Inkless moisturizer. I mean, it wasn't recording, I didn't know. So now I'm going to take a shower, done with my skincare. Now I'm going to take a shower. Okay, I just got out of the shower. So I sprayed this body mist on my body. If you guys can see that. Yeah, I sprayed this body mist on my body when immediately after I got out of the shower, like as my body is wet and moist and dew and full of moisture. Then I rub my cream, the body butter. On hot days, I don't rub this cream. I just rub it on places that I don't normally sweat, like my arms and my legs. Or anything chest, anything back, count me out. Because the way I'll be sweating like a fool. Bruh, it's crazy. I didn't know this thing, like it makes your body shine. Like it gives your body like a shiny look. Which I don't really like, but I like how it smells. It smells like vanilla. Then I use this vitamin E body oil, lavender, vanilla on my body. And then I spray a bit of this together. Then I rub it to my body. It smells so good. So, so good. Anything vanilla. I just love the smell. Because like, who doesn't love vanilla? Can you be a human being and you don't like the smell of vanilla, bro? I love the smell of vanilla. I love it. You might be wondering why I put on deodorant and spray perfume in the night, but I don't know. I just like to smell good. Okay, look. Let me explain. If you're expecting me to wear something sexy, like a lingerie, I like to be comfortable when I sleep. I like to be comfortable, I like to be free. I don't like things too cleaned up on my body, so that's why I'm wearing this. Like, I would have worn it for the sake of this video, but I could not find it. So now we're going to go and eat dinner, then I'll take my medicine, then I read, drink my tea, and I go to bed. I need to eat, then I'll take my medicine, and I'll drink tea, read my Bible small, and go to bed. And that's it. There isn't much to it. I'm done eating now. I'll take my medicine. I have a lot of medicine to take, actually. Let's do a medicine count. This is medicine. This is how much I'm rushing this video. This is not the sweet kind of vitamin C. Let's get that one. Okay. I'm done taking my medicine now. I want to drink tea and read my Bible. And we'll call it a night. This is like 8:30 now. I was actually fast. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching the end of this video. That's the end of my nighttime routine. It's basically what I do every night before I go to sleep. Some days are like this, some days are not like this, but it just depends on my vibe or my mood. Yeah, thank you guys for watching to the end. If you made it this far to the video, comment the star emoji. Yeah, good night.